Good morning. The ICFA University Dehradun strongly believes in university-industry linkage is critically important for the advancement of university system, growth of industries and growth of economies. The growing cutthroat race, quicker product life cycle, rising demand for technological revolution, unstable market conditions and the ever increasing cost of research provided sound justification for the organizations to foster collaboration with the institution of higher education. University-industry collaboration is instrumental in stimulating the ability of the universities to undertake high-quality research and enhance the capability of the firms to compete worldwide. The stimulus for the industry to team up with the university, there are many fascinating regions for the industries to develop linkages with the university system. In order to access to potential students and well-trained graduate, access to high-standard researchers, professionals, experts, and knowledgeable faculty, access to the latest techniques, advanced technologies, and new practices, access to university state-of-art laboratories, tools and facilities, access to the latest scientific knowledge and latest research findings, fostering good community relations for enhancement of the prestige, resolution of the pressing business problem, stimulate the development and commercialization of the latest technologies, access to unique research and applied research results, reducing cost of recruiting and selection, continuing education and training, the cost, powerful impetus for the university to join forces with the industry, institutions of advanced learning, interact with the industrial firms for a variety of regions. The most important to obtain basic research fundings, necessary financial support, avenues for capacity buildings and practical training opportunities. Employment opportunities for the university graduates, access to the industrial expertise and knowledge gained from the industries, researchers, exposure of the faculty and student to the practical real-world problems, access to the empirical data available in the industry, industrially sponsored research projects, collaborative works on intellectually challenging scientific research. This makes the university and industry linkages very important, and there is a win-win situation for the both. Thank you.